The Uganda Law Society (ULS), which was among others established to assist the central government in all matters affecting legislation, administration and practice of law, is concerned at what is seen as increasing pressure on the judiciary to handle several disputes emerging from political differences. Francis Gimara, the president ULS, says it is unfortunate that many Ugandans are languishing in prisons as a result of political disputes that do not necessarily call for court redress.
We have noted the increase in pressure on the judiciary to handle disputes that essentially require political as opposed to legal solutions. Various persons have been arrested, including our members, and some have been charged and others are yet to be charged.
Like the Uganda Human Rights Commission, the Society has also noted with concern the 24th April Kavuma interim order that banned live coverage of opposition defiance campaigns, clampdowns on fundamental rights.
We are asking that in future, moving forward from that date and on all other issues, the judiciary must not only do justice, but must be seen to do justice. We want to appeal to the government, the Republic of Uganda, not to bend the law to settle political disputes. It is time for the government to tone down on its aggressiveness and to adopt a more inclusive, tolerant, and conciliatory approach.
Gimara says government should adopt a more inclusive approach to handle such matters and the judiciary to fully exercise its independence as prescribed by the 1995 Constitution.
To the judiciary, because that's the gate for the rule of law. We want to urge the judiciary to exercise the independence expected of it under Article 126 of the Constitution and to dispense justice without fear and favor, so that justice is not only done, but is also seen to be done.
Meanwhile, Gimara says as a society they are going to fight to see that the 10th Parliament passes the Judicial Administration Bill that will enhance financing of the judiciary to fight the case backlog.
Because the judiciary takes less than 1%, of the monies apportioned. Now, Parliament takes anything between, I think, 4 and 11%, and the executive all the rest. Now, these are three organs of government. You find one is severely underfunded, so it's not a surprise that the case backlog is increasing. Unless we resolve that, then the issue of holding them accountable in terms of performance remains a secondary issue. So in a primary way, let's all fight for the judiciary so that the monies in the judiciary are increased from less than 1%.
It's true that the courts of law can solve all cases, but it is also true that after giving a ruling on a particular case, the warring parties remain with scars. It is therefore thought that political dialogue to solve political disputes can be the best alternative. Jocelyn Nachibule, WBS TV, Kampala.